In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson L380 series printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson L380 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson L380. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down menu, select your version of Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, then select Go, and then select the driver and utility combo package, download it, and then open up the file once it's on your device. And if you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And it says this file contains everything you need to use your Epson L380. Click OK to continue. Proceed with this installer, selecting preferences like wired or wireless printing, as well as optional features you may want to install alongside of your printer. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.